Good morning, everyone. It's January 27, 2026, and I have currently opened a future of S&P 500, which is called to be as ES1. And as usual, I'm gonna make quick analysis on SPY and ES. So where we are heading, right? This is what this is what we want to discuss, and what I see in the market if I compare SPY, right? So it will be easy to understand where we are heading now. So yesterday, market opens right over here, and we see a good buy. Like with a good volume, and this is not a normal, not a retail buy or something. This is institutional buy. So institutional buy push the market, uh, higher and higher. If you look at it, and it stays right over here hovering around 693. Then as the market behavior, right, the usual behavior is whenever the market trend up like this, right, it always come back to grab the unmitigated orders, right? So the market has buyers and good buyers, right? So they couldn't let it down until close to 4 p.m. and at that, at closing, they play all the games, because if you look at it, we see a good selling right around 4 p.m., and that is where the bulls entered again, because they always grab the order which left in the market, right? So in entire day they couldn't get chance to get these order, so they played game in the post market. They grabbed all the orders right over here, right? And in this am morning, after picking up all the unmitigated orders, which is not good for option people, because if they have buy puts, right, entire day they couldn't get chance to take this thing out here, right? And if you are into calls, then definitely if someone is stuck here, they will take care of it, right? However, this morning the market is hovering around back, right around this area, which was a resistance zone from the past. 695.45 is the key resistance right over here, and it's a good time frame over 45 minutes. So if we look at it, market did the same this morning. Market already, the SPY already went up to 694.72, right? Because if I look at this candle carefully, right, market open gap up 694.67. Then in second candle we can see the volume again, that the high was 694.65, and in third candle the high was 694.72. So looks like this is a new resistance zone for this SPY right now, right? And if we look at ES right now, because this react little later, but ES reacts as same way as SPY. So look at this now. So ES is also in the good resistance area. We do see a good buy right from here without any retracement, right? So we went up to the 7,000. It's already break 7K, but here we see lots of resistance sitting here. So market has two ways now, right? First, it is trying to break this. So all it can do is this, it can make a new base right over here, which is 6993. And if you look at it, this is previous month high and previous day high. So this will be it. This will be our new support zone right now, right? And this area is 6993. So if market is supposed started to break down this particular area and started to consolidate here, then we are going heading down. And one more reason is right now is because we are heading into earning as well as Fed meetings, right? So what I can think of it, today again there is no news. So today the bulls will try their best, right, to break this area, after coming back here, take a retracement, consolidate above, then little bit, retracement, and then go more up, little bit retracement, make a new base and go up. So this could be the structure if the bulls are still heavy, but at the end of the day, I can see they will try to do one more sell, because if bears won't get any chance, right, then this will be the structure. If the bears won't get any chance, then they can push more higher, right? And Wednesday, heading into Wednesday, we have earnings, we have Fed interest rate decision, and then Thursday also we have data. So next 2 days will be, a kind of days where every big investor will try to avoid. They don't want to do. Anyone don't want to do these kind of tradings, right? So this is all I can suggest. Now, what should be our key levels? If I look at SPY, right? So SPY is already in the resistance zone. What I can suggest is we have to wait for the market to confirm this new low, new high, right? So what I can suggest is, because if you look at yesterday's market, right, this was the area market was a struggle. Uh, this was the area market is struggling, right, around 693.99, right? So if we got a break of a structure right over here, which is 694.12, then it can be headed lower and try to do retracement up to 694, 692.48, right? This is where I can think of long side, right? Otherwise, you have to wait entire day and look where the market is heading, because what happens is if the bulls enter right in the morning around at open, then they will test this higher high, which is 697.32. So they can break all this resistance just in one candle, or in, like 15 minutes candle, right? So consolidate, break, consolidate, or just like this. You see this structure, right? So go up and then a small retracement and then new high, right? This is one possibility. Second possibility is, because what happened is they are seeing some kind of resistance right in the morning, right? Because if I zoom in little bit right over here, all right, they made, so far they made higher high, higher high, higher high, but then no lower lows yet, right? So in this next, find out what is the next. If the next is coming higher high, then they will go more higher. If the next is closing lower, then there is a chances we can see a retrace back to 692.48. All right, guys. So plan your day trade. If I want to enter, I want to enter here at 692.52. Okay. Before that, I will just sit patiently waiting for the market for the retracements. If it is going higher, there is no chance that anyone will try to enter for the day trades also, right? But if it is, suppose if it is break this particular zone, 695 area, and coming back and retraces again, then you can try, and holding here, then you can try to get into the longs again. If it is coming back and started to close below 69, 695 by the end of the day, then again, we can do a shorting right over here. So these are the two perspective to look into the market. um, I explain you everything. Try to watch this video carefully 2 and 3 times. Right. And 695 again is still your resistance. 692 is your support area. So they will play market between these two zones. All right, guys. So do your trading carefully. As always, market is unpredictable. All we have is data. Things works on data points. So this is all I can suggest. Mark your levels and do your best. This is always for educational purpose. You can like and subscribe my channel for new videos. I always give data. I always give analysis on SPY at the start of the week. I was waiting for one day that how we will react on Monday. So today is the day, right day to do the analysis on SPY, and that's all I can say. All right, guys. So like and subscribe my channel if you like the video, and that will work like a motivation for me. All right, guys. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you again. Have a safe trading.